Dear students, in this session, I'll tell you how to narrate the story in the picture association test. This is the third step in the picture association test. The first one is the picture will be shown to you, or after seeing the picture, you have to write the story. That means you have to fill the worksheet, story worksheet. After that, you have to start writing the story. The third step, you have to narrate the story. Fourth step is you have to narrate the story among the group members before the panel. Okay, so now I'll tell you how to narrate the story. Once the story writing is complete, you will be arranged in groups and sent for the individual narration and then group discussion. So there will be evaluators in the discussion room. So based on your number, okay, chest number, all the candidates will first narrate their story one by one for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, then the discussion will begin as soon as the last candidate finishes his narration. After the discussion, result will be announced by an hour. Okay, so this is how you have to narrate the individual. You have to narrate the story individually. Next, what are the tips to be tips for the individual narration? Means, it's the part where you can show you the confidence to everyone. Okay, so after the story writing, you are arranged in groups for narration and discussion. So one by one, all the candidates have to narrate their stories to the group in presence of the evaluators. Okay, so at that time you should not worry about it, and also you don't have to mug your storyline by line. Okay, so rather you have to give a brief summary of the story in about 45 seconds to 1 minute. This is individual narration. Okay, so after that you will start with the characters you mentioned, further action followed by the story. So this is how we have to narrate it. And confidence is basically the key in your narration. So we should narrate the story in a very confidential manner. Okay, so for good communication, confidence is the key part, right? So narrate in a confidential tone. Also listen to everyone's story carefully, because they may also have some good points. Okay, so you can excel in narration by practicing only. So practicing by yourself, or practicing before your friends, or practice it in front of a mirror also, and record it, the timing of narration. Okay, then only we can manage the time and we can narrate the story within the given time limit. Okay, so practice only will make you perfect. So these are the tips for you to narrate the story in an effective manner. Okay. After this individual narration, you will be moved for the group discussion. So the same pictures will be shown to the group members. Okay, so you have to convey the points which is related to the picture given among the group members. After that, they will shortlist the students based on their performance and attitude and communication, everything. Okay, so this is how these picture association test will be conducted during the interview time. Okay, so please keep all such points while uh, performing such picture association test during your interview time. Okay, now I have given some picture here. So this is the picture. So you could see the action characters, like simply if you see, you can see only two characters, right? But there are three characters in this picture. See, in the so you could see two characters, two persons standing nearby the lake, and you could see a child uh, figure also in this picture. So likewise, you have to observe the picture clearly and you have to narrate it. So this is how, because the perception, no, it differs from person to person. Okay, so like this, it's a sample exercise for you. I have given some sample exercise to you about picture association test. So the background, no, first observe the background. So we could see that this is a village. Okay, and around three characters are here. One young lady and one man and another lady. So three characters are here. So likewise, we should observe the background of the story and the characters. So based on that, I have written a story. Okay, you could see this story. How I have written means I'll narrate you. Just listen for a few minutes. Miss Angeline was the daughter of a farmer and a narrow minded mother. But from childhood, she was an excellent learner, had a sharp brain, and gained knowledge from those who comes from for their academic holidays in village. As when she reached in her early 18s, she wanted to go out in city like other male members of village used to go, but her parents didn't allow her. One day, a government scheme basically for educating girl child came for giving scholarship to girls who have some knowledge regarding the nature. She gave that and came first and got scholarship and study in a prestigious school in a city. She and the entire village convinced her family and she left the village for studying and came back in return as an IAS officer after several years of hard work. She is now collector of her village and opened many schools for the girl child. So this is how we can narrate the story in a positive uh, perspective. Okay, and if you get the picture like this, describe your picture perception of the picture in 100 words. If you get picture like this means you can give the general ideas about. I think this picture which indicates about the interpersonal skill. So we can generally write about the interpersonal skill. Okay, so what is interpersonal skill? Why it is essential for everyone, and interpersonal skills at work. And there are, of course, some jobs in which interpersonal skills are practically important. You can mention those things like healthcare provisions, including doctors and other healthcare professionals, financial advice and brokerage, and computer programming and development. Likewise, in all places, in all working environment, interpersonal skill is important. So you can mention the such skills in general. If you get picture like this means, okay. So based upon the picture, you have to narrate the story. You have to draft the story. Okay. So thank you for active listening. Thank you.